This year is our first time that we're running the supply chain lounge. We've got millions of pounds worth of buyers in the lounge, all talking to brand new manufacturers that they've never met before. That's what it's all about. Qimtek is a manufacturing network for subcontract manufacturers. We have over 200 manufacturers that use us. We provide them with live leads from manufacturing buyers who are looking for a new supplier. It's a matchmaking service for technical buyers and really good quality subcontract manufacturers.
We specialise in multi-axis machining, CNC turning. We specialise in composites and high temperature insulation. I took the opportunity after having a conversation with Qimtek in 2017 to bring them on board. There was a little bit of scepticism on paying to get RFQs, etc., because that's what we employ a sales team for. About 60% of what we've quoted through Qimtek, we've ended up then going on and generating relationships, and we've got new customers that are now direct customers of ours. We more than covered the cost of the membership within probably the first actual customer that we brought on board. We've never looked back.
We've started on the programme now. We've acquired in the last 2 months 11 new customers that are all spending with us. We've had coaching and we're trying to grow and develop that further. It's been a great experience. My colleague Laura is using the system dedicated now 100% and it's working great. You need to give the appropriate time and resource to understand the system and how you engage with customers and monitoring it real time. It's not one of these where you do the quote and you just leave it. You've got to follow it through. There's a very, very good process. We've got a formal process of how we do it and it works.
We were looking for more leads, more jobs to quote, to push more work through our business. They give you many, many options. Today the introduction's been very good. A foot in the door with customers that you wouldn't have got before.
If you're a manufacturing buyer and you're looking for custom-made parts, we have a really lovely, simple-to-use platform. All you need to do is upload your drawings. We will then match it with the right supplier. The suppliers will quote you direct, and that's the most important aspect of our product. We're not a middleman. We're here to forge relationships between you and your new supplier.